Borida, good morning. I'm Janet Hayward. I'm Executive Head Teacher at Cadoxton Primary School and Ebbw Vale Primary School, and I'm also an Associate Member of the Leadership Academy for Wales.
My name is Marco Gil-Cervantes. I'm in the National Leadership Academy as well. I'm the Chief Executive of ProMo Cymru, encompassing the Ebbw Vale Institute.
Here we are today at the Pierhead building in the middle of Cardiff, where so much industry and so much history began. We're celebrating what we call Cynefin, and Cynefin is at the heart of the curriculum for Wales.
I am Mark Ishwood from the National Academy for Educational Leadership. The Leading Cynefin project has allowed youth work practitioners, leaders from school and the voluntary sector to collaborate. And what they've demonstrated is that both the leaders, the practitioners, but also importantly the children and young people, it's had an impact on them.
My name is Alan Davis. I'm the member of the Senedd for Blaen Ai Gwent. To me, Cynefin means that place where we feel home, where we feel comfortable, the people as well as the place. So you've got the whole of the social and cultural and industrial and history of the people of the town.
Hi, I'm Mel Evans. I'm Head Teacher of Willowtown Primary School, which is in Ebbw Vale in Blaen Ai Gwent. The digital workshops at the EVI, it was just invaluable. So they looked at storyboarding, photography, video creation. It's resulted in all of their work today, their final products. We would really like to bring EVI into school to work with other classes now that we know that offer is on our doorstep, and it's just grown organically and enabled us to cover all the full purposes, also the AOLEs, just in an authentic context.
So I'm Wendy Thomas, I'm Director of the Learning Partnership, and we're really fortunate that we work alongside schools, and I think this Cynefin project with Cadoxton and Oakfield and Willowtown has just an example, like almost a blueprint of how the curriculum for Wales can come to life in a really authentic way.
So my name's Becky Booker, I'm a local artist. I've been working with Cadoxton Primary School and Ebbw Vale Primary School to create a lot of the lovely work you've seen in the exhibition today. Seeing the work pride of place in like an amazing, incredible building is just fantastic, yeah.
I think for the children it's the understanding that they're creating history as well, they're recording their identity of the community that gives strength to them and their communities.
Just looking around at the exhibition, I'm very impressed with some of the work that the children have been doing. The one thing that really got to me was that the children are going around helping the community.
This type of activity shows how the new curriculum can be brought to life when leaders across sectors collaborate together.